All the veterans that have flown past and present. Coming in behind Scooter Yoke, that's Mr. Andrew McKenna, the all-silver B-51. I would encourage you to go home and look up the Quicksilver Mustang website there and the Facebook page. Check that out. You'll be glad you did. The paint scheme on that airplane truly representative of all of our friends and family who have served the country. There's Andrew McKenna from Pamela Marie. Coming in behind Pamela Marie, the P-51 is a good friend there, and the dad, I think, is flying that one. P-40. A nice little airplane, the P-40 Warhawk, made famous by our friends the Flying Tigers back in the earliest of early days of World War II. That's Jim Tobel, Corsair back there. We have a number of vintage military airplanes that are here for your viewing pleasure. Now, this is not to glorify war. I want you to hear my words carefully. This is not to glorify war. This is simply to remember the brave warriors that have gone before us, on whose shoulders we stand upon today in this great nation. Everything you see here will take your sights and your senses back to the days of World War II. This nation stood up and joined forces with our allies and fought back the evils that existed in the world today. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we warm up, we can see the enemy that begins to shoot off a few flares out there and let us know where they're at. We're going to ask you to take yourself back to the earliest of early, the 1940s, around 1941. December 7th, Pearl Harbor was attacked. That Sunday morning. On board the B-25 right now is Mr. Larry Kelly, the lead B-25 head chief. Flying with him today is retired Brigadier General George Bartlett. Ladies and gentlemen, a World War II veteran on board this first B-25. Let's send him off. But immediately following the attacks in Pearl Harbor, 80 brave men under the command of General Jimmy Doolittle said, put me in cover, top secret mission designed to strike the heart of Japan. While the mission was not necessarily a tactical success, it was a huge shot in the arm for the American public. 16 B-25s with 80 brave men launched from the deck of the Hornet on April the 16th, just a few months after the attack at Pearl Harbor. Now, back then, it was not thought possible to fly a B-25 from the deck of an